Hello guys, I hope you are good. Today we'll be working on ApeSwap Finance platform, how to provide liquidity on the ApeSwap Finance platform, how to farm, how to provide liquidity as well. So before you add liquidity at all, you need to click at the top left corner of the web page and then you click on pools. You look at the various options. Yeah, this is a syrup pool where you stake your ApeSwap banana tokens to earn another token. It is very easy to achieve. All you have to do is click on approve banana. Approve. Everything will depend on how fast and how quick your network is. So you click on the plus sign beside on stake banana, then you click on maximum, or you enter manually the amount of ApeSwap banana token you are willing to stake. Then you click on confirm to sign the transaction. As mentioned earlier, everything depends on how quick your network is. As you can see, my stake is showing. To unstake banana, you follow the same process. Just have to click on unstake banana, then you click on max, then you confirm. Yeah, with this it means that I have successfully unstaked my ApeSwap banana tokens from the banana pool. The next way to earn is via the farm. You click on farms. You check the available options to provide liquidity on ApeSwap Finance platform. This is banana BNB liquidity pool. I'll stick to banana BNB liquidity pool because that's the pool that I have both tokens for. So to add liquidity, all you have to do is click on the top left corner, click on trade, then click on liquidity. Then you click on add liquidity. Don't forget, the pool we are providing liquidity for is banana and BNB pool. So you click on maximum and then you supply both tokens to the liquidity pool. Yeah, you can see now there is LP tokens in your wallet, banana BNB pool. After you have added liquidity, the next step is to go back to the farms approve contract for banana BNB liquidity pool. Click on approve. Then you click on stake liquidity pool. Don't forget to make sure you have good internet connection when you are trying to swap, trade, or provide liquidity pools on any decentralized finance exchange. So now I have added my pool to the BNB banana LP, and it will farm for me per day banana tokens. If you want to harvest your end banana tokens, all you have to do is click on harvest and select number of tokens you want to harvest and sign the transaction. If you want to unstake your pool, all you have to do is click on the negative sign, click on maximum, and confirm the transaction to unstake your pool. If you want to remove liquidity, you follow the same process as followed earlier. You go back to the home page, you click on trade, you click on liquidity, and then you remove liquidity. The liquidity will be here. So it's quite easy and convenient to use the platform. Do make sure you practice and be careful with your funds, and ensure to always do your own research too. Thank you.